In a world that placates military powers like China and chooses to turn their gaze away from the destruction of powerless countries, Loka Rangzhen's message comes loud and clear that Tibetans will not stay silent. We will force the world to look at Tibet. Loka Rangzhen's self-immolation was a searing message to the conscience of the international community that Tibet cannot be written off and forgotten. When Loka Rangzhen stood before the United Nations building in New York with his body engulfed in flames, he was not merely an individual performing a sacrifice. He was the voice of millions of Tibetans who are silenced, their children forbidden from speaking their mother tongue, their history and identities erased, millions imprisoned, if not slaughtered, their people forced to pledge total loyalty to the Communist Party ideology. Loka Rangzhen understood everything. He understood the intolerable sufferings of his people, and he carried the weight of their burden on his very shoulders. His sacrifice serves as a haunting indictment of the Chinese rulers and their evil policies of cultural genocide in countries like Tibet, Uyghur, and South Mongolia. Loka Rangzhenla, we assure you that we will carry your memory as a charge, as a reminder that as long as Tibet is not free, our work remains unfinished and the fight must continue. Dear friends and countrymen, to honor this great spirit of Loka Rangzhen, I am going to hold this picture high and proudly announce to the world that we will never forget his sacrifice. We will keep fighting till your dream for a free Tibet is realized. May you be born among us again to lead our freedom struggle.